If you want an easy way to stay consistent every day, Todoist routines can help you organize repeat tasks without overthinking your schedule. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add routines in Todoist step by step, so you can build a simple system for your morning habits, workday check-ins, or daily personal tasks. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Todoist and look at the left sidebar. To keep your routines organized, click the plus icon next to projects. This is where you can create a dedicated space just for your daily habits and recurring tasks. Give your project a clear name like daily routines, morning routine, or even work routines if you want to separate your habits by category. The goal is to make it easy to find later, so use a name that instantly tells you what it's for. Next, choose a distinct color for the project. This might seem like a small detail, but it really helps your routine stand out in the navigation panel, especially if you manage a lot of projects inside Todoist. A strong color can make the whole system feel more organized and easier to scan at a glance. Once your project is set up, it's time to add your routine tasks. When you create a new task, simply type your routine schedule directly into the task name or due date field. Todoist is smart enough to recognize natural language, so it will highlight the routine text in red when it understands the date or repeating schedule. That's the key feature that makes recurring routines so fast to build. For example, if you want a daily habit, you can type something like meditate every day at 7 am. Todoist will detect that as a repeat task and set it to recur automatically. If you're building a weekday work routine, you can type something like check team emails every weekday at 9 am. Again, Todoist will recognize the repeating pattern and turn it into a routine you don't have to recreate manually. This is perfect for habits you want to repeat without forgetting them. Now let's make your routine even more structured by using a parent task. Create a task named morning routine and set it to every day. This parent task acts like the main container for your habit list. Under that, add your individual steps such as make bed, drink water, and stretch. These are the smaller actions that make up the full routine, and they help you break your morning into simple, repeatable steps. To turn those tasks into subtasks, just drag and drop them slightly to the right underneath the parent task. Once they're indented, Todoist will organize them as part of the morning routine task, which makes everything much cleaner and easier to follow. This is especially useful if you want one main routine with multiple steps inside it. You can apply the same method for evening routines, work startup routines, study routines, or even cleaning checklists. Just create a parent task for the main routine, then add the smaller actions underneath it as subtasks. The more consistent your structure is, the easier it becomes to actually follow your routine every day. One of the best things about Todoist is how flexible it is with recurring tasks. You don't need complicated setup menus or advanced automation. You can just type in plain language, let Todoist recognize the schedule, and then organize everything into a neat routine system. That makes it beginner-friendly, but still powerful enough for people who want a clean productivity workflow. So to recap, you first create a project from the sidebar, name it clearly, and choose a color that helps it stand out. Then you add routine tasks by typing repeat schedules naturally, like every day or every weekday. After that, you can create a parent task such as morning routine and add subtasks beneath it by dragging them slightly to the right. That gives you a simple, organized routine setup inside Todoist that you can use every single day. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Todoist tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.